Welcome to the International Institute of Legal Project Management. In this short video, we're going to be covering the professional development pathways for your career in legal project management. So firstly, what is legal project management? Well, when you look at it, legal matters are projects. And people that are leading legal matters are legal project managers. So if you're a lawyer and you've managed any legal matter, you're effectively a legal project manager. The Institute defines legal project management as the application of project management principles and practices to enhance the delivery of legal services. And why has this become important? Well, when you look at traditional billable hour, we didn't have to do much planning. We didn't have to consider things like risk management and issues management and variation management to the same degree. We basically took on the work, and as we progressed the work, we would then charge. But today, there's a big demand for alternate fee arrangements. And that means client pricing, such as fixed price legal services, requires us to know the scope, plan the scope, and then, because we're going to be stuck on that fixed price, we must then understand how to manage the risks, how to manage the issues, and how to manage the changes or variations. That has called for bringing in traditional project management skills into the legal profession. That is why legal project management has now become a world trend. The Institute surveyed legal practitioners from over 9 countries to determine what actually LPM was in practice. And it found that there's 4 key focus areas. And it wasn't just project management. It included technology enablement, which includes things like artificial intelligence. It includes anything we're doing with process improvement. And of course, anything we're doing with the people skills, the leadership, the communication, the stakeholder engagement, and the interpersonal skills required for high effective relationships. As a result, the modern lawyer is required to better understand technology, better understand the process, because process guides behaviour, and better to be skilled and knowledgeable in the people skills. And this has been the basis of the professional development topics created by the Institute. The International Institute of Legal Project Management is a global professional community. We provide frameworks and industry guidelines. We provide legal project management methodology, which is the tools and techniques. We provide global research and a number of publications that are practical based to develop your skills and understanding of a workplace environment. We provide face-to-face, online and blended training. Our face-to-face training is provided by our accredited training providers that are located in many countries around the world. We also have online via our website and blended training, which may include a mixture between face-to-face, online and even webinars. We have 2 levels of certification. We have our Legal Project Associate, LPA, designed for people working in legal project teams or supporting legal matters, and our Legal Project Practitioner, LPP, which is our highest level of certification for those working in legal project manager roles. We also have internationally recognised diploma qualifications. We offer behavioural profiling that allows a lawyer to determine which areas of law they're going to be best suited to or how better to play that role, and also looks at your performance, which includes what's your natural behaviour style compared to what you're doing in the work environment, which is your adapted style or your perceived need to adjust for that role. This allows you to get absolute insight to how you're performing in the workplace. We also offer global mentorship and coaching. And once you're a graduate, you become a part of our worldwide legal project management community, which is designed to share information and develop each other and keep you up to date with the latest techniques around legal project management. We have 2 levels of certification. Both require education. The first one is the Legal Project Associate, or LPA. This is designed for those working in legal teams and supporting legal matters, or for people preparing to work in the legal profession. The LPA has no prerequisites for experience. The second certification is our Legal Project Practitioner, or LPP. This is our highest level of certification and is designed for those leading legal matters. So if you're a lawyer and you've ever ran a legal matter, then you are effectively a legal project manager. This includes the trend of bringing in professional project managers into the legal profession to be legal project managers. This requires, in addition to the education, some prerequisites from a work base. You must have one or more of the following. You either have to be a qualified lawyer, and that's with or without a current practice certificate. You could have completed one of our accredited training provider delivered university programs. You could have worked for at least 1 year in a law firm, in an internal legal counsel, or in the capacity of an advisor, consultant, or trainer. The Legal Project Associate is not a prerequisite to go and get the Legal Project Practitioner. Typically, you'll only go to Legal Project Associate when you haven't met the requirements to be a Legal Project Practitioner. So if you look at the Legal Project Practitioner certification, it's focused at the Legal Project Team Member and those who support legal matters. This requires the 2-day Applied Project Management course. Once completing that course, you would then be able to apply for the Legal Project Associate certification. And we also have a pathway to go from an LPA to an LPP when you actually have that experience. This simply requires you to complete the 3rd day of training, whether that be face-to-face or online, and meet the prerequisites. The Legal Project Practitioner requires 3 days, and this course is called the Advanced Project Management. This certification is based on those leading legal matters. So if you've been a lawyer and you've been running legal matters, you have been a legal project manager. Or it could be that you're a professional project manager who is now working in a legal setting. Once you have your LPP, there are upgrades to become internationally qualified with a Diploma in Project Management. This is in collaboration with the Business Education Institute. This is a government-endorsed, internationally recognised qualification. To achieve this, you would have completed the 3 days Advanced Legal Project Management course. You then are required to do the online Diploma Preparation Education program and have workplace evidence. That workplace evidence is of you running a legal matter. And once you've achieved that workplace evidence, you will then have a Diploma of Project Management. The Diploma assessment has multiple parts. It requires essay questions. It requires workplace evidence of at least one legal matter within the last 2 years, and it requires third-party validation, of which someone senior in the organisation can confirm you've had multiple experiences with each of the criteria. The Institute has chosen to have a Diploma of Project Management as opposed to a Diploma of Legal Project Management because we've recognised a Diploma in Project Management, even though it's customised and contextualised to legal project management setting, allows more opportunities for you because it will also be recognised by your clients and allows you to get other certifications and membership to worldwide project management associations. So the Institute exists to accelerate your knowledge and your practical skills and to recognise you through certifications and qualifications and provide ongoing support through our global community. We look forward to seeing you certified.